with the anti-Semitism that we had in the streets when we lived in Long Island, New York, uh, that hurt a lot. We were afraid a lot. Um, the kids once grabbed my brother, my older brother, and beat him up and put horse manure in his mouth, and that was scary times. I can remember I was maybe about 8 years old, 7 or 8, and I can remember my mother rolling around in a driveway having a fist fight with some woman who came and called us dirty Jews and whatever, and I can remember my mother fighting with her and the neighbors trying to break them up, and that was very impressive, very, because this is something she fought over. And then in high school, or it could have been even junior high, um, I went to schools that were pretty much Jewish, and they started to show pictures of the Holocaust films, and I can just remember the bottom falling out. And from that time on, I became very Jewish, not religious, but very Jewish. And then when I married my husband, that solidified it, and then we spent the summers every year in the country amongst all Yiddish speakers, all survivors of the Holocaust. And I just, in my heart, became one of them.